Hello all, welcome in our science class. We are learning about keeping safe. We have already learned the safety rules at home. Now we shall learn the safety rules while playing, safety rules at schools, etc. Safety rules while playing? Yes, we have to follow few safety rules while playing to avoid the accidents. Which are they? We should always play in a playground. We should not play in balcony or in a room. We also should not play dangerous places like roads, streets or terraces. Some children are having the habit of pushing or hitting to each other while playing. But children, should we do it? No, we should not push or hit any other boy or a girl or a friend while playing. Always follow the rules of the game. We should play it fairly. If you are attending the swimming classes, so you should not go for swimming alone. Always swim in the presence of an adult, and you should ensure that a lifeguard is present at the swimming pool. Whenever you play in the park, whenever you want to play on swings, so you should always wait for your turn at swings and do not stand in front of swings. What would happen if we stand in front of swing? If your friend is swinging on the swing, so while swinging, it may hit to you and you may get hurt. That's why we should not stand in front of swings.
Children, due to corona pandemic, schools are closed nowadays. But when the schools were open, that time you had followed few safety rules. Which are they? Let us learn it now. Never throw stationary objects such as pencils, pens or rulers at each other. They can cause injury.
After finishing your tiffin, after finishing your breakfast, you should not run around in class or in the corridors. And do not climb on chairs and desks when the teacher is not present in the class, as you may fall down and hurt yourself or others. There are stairs in the school, so you should not run up and down the stairs whenever you are going downstairs, so that time you should not push anybody on the stairs. Wait for your turn in the school washrooms. Do not push or pull other students while using the washrooms, and always stay careful while working in the laboratory. Children, now we shall learn the safety rules on the road. While on the road, always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on the extreme left of the road. We should not walk across the road, but we should use the left side of the road. We should always use the pedestrian, means zebra crossing, while crossing the road, or if there is any underpass or an overhead bridge for crossing the road, so that we should use. And always we have to check whether the vehicle is coming from any side, so we have to look front, back as well as side by side while crossing the road. Children, if you love to ride on a cycle, so you should not ride your cycle on busy roads. When you are riding a bicycle, use your hands to signal while turning. If you want to turn, you have to show your hand which side you want to turn. Or you can ring the bell to clear the traffic ahead of your vehicle. And what should we do? We have to always follow the traffic signal and cross the road only when the signal is green. We know that the green signal is for going, isn't it? Whenever we have to walk, we have to cross the road. So we have to look right, left and again right before crossing the road. Always we have to obey the traffic policeman, and we have to avoid crossing between parked cars, the cars which are parked, so we have to avoid crossing these cars. Which are the safety rules in public places? First, we should know about the public places like market, movie theaters, or some other public places. Whenever we visit with our parents, we have to follow certain safety rules. Whenever you have visited the market with your parents, so you should not run around unnecessarily, otherwise you may get separated from your parents. If there are staircases in the mall, so we have to walk on the left side to let other people pass over it. And in the market, in the mall, while doing any shopping, so that time we might be meeting with the strangers, so we should not talk with them. And if these strangers wanted to talk with you, they wanted to do friendship with you, and they offer few eatables like chocolates or ice creams, so we should not accept it from them. Do not share your personal details such as address or phone number with the strangers, as they may follow you and come to your house to steal anything. Do not touch any unidentified objects lying in public places. What are the safety rules on the beach? Do not swim in the water alone. Do not go too far into the water. Be careful while walking on the beach. Look out for beach toys such as shovels, small buckets, and spades lying around. Children, do you love pets? Yes, of course, we love pets. So, what are the safety rules while playing with the dogs that we need to follow? We should be careful around animals. If we disturb or tease animals, they can bite and hurt us. We should follow precautions when we are around the animals. Though we love dogs, we should not play with stray dogs as they can bite us. And do not run away from a dog if it is walking towards you. Stay calm and call for an adult. Take an adult with you if you are taking your pet dog for a walk. He might pull you and make you fall. Always wash your hands with soap and water after touching a dog. It may carry germs that can make you fall ill. What rules we should follow in a zoo? We should not attempt to touch the animals. We should not feed the animals when we visit a zoo, and follow the rules of the zoo. Children, in this way we have learned the safety rules at the public places, on the road, in the school that we should follow. Follow the safety rules at schools, in public places, and avoid the accidents. Stay healthy, happy. Thank you.